Hello, this is a quick unboxing of the DentMate Lumidex 3. It's a transilluminator you can use to diagnose proximal cavities by using a strong LED light. So let's see what's in the box. So you have some special sleeves for it to prevent cross-contamination. Instructions for use in English. Instructions for use in Chinese. Single use, I think, dental mirror you can use with it. This is the transilluminator itself. It uses two AAA batteries, and this is the fiber optics tip you mount on the device. Like this, you point the tip between the teeth you wish to check for proximal cavities. You push the button. One push activates the full strength of the LED. The second push activates a lower intensity LED, and the third push of the button turns off the device. It's a quick and pretty effective way of diagnosing proximal cavities. It costs around $200, 180 euros, something like that. And we'll have to check and see how it performs. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Leave any comments if you have any questions.